If you are using a Windows computer and if you want to decrease the font size by 1 point, then you can see the control key and left bracket. You must press these two keys at the same time. If you are using Microsoft Word, then you can try this. Now you can see this is the control key and this is the left bracket. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that the font size have been decreased by 1 point. That is earlier the font size was 48, now it changed to 47. Again, if you press like this, that is press the control key and the left bracket key, then you can see that it become 46 now. Okay, I'll show you once again. Now the Times New Roman font showing 14. If I want to change it to 13 or 12, if I want to change the font size to 12, you must press the control key and this the left bracket key 2 times. I can see that the font size have been changed to 12. Of this video, see for